Welcome. In this session, we will discuss other things of C++. Now, get line. Suppose if you want to get the string means what here? Sequence of characters in between beginning and ending double quotes. We can use the getLine function. GetLine function is available under string.h header file. We have to insert hash include string.h. GetLine function extracts characters from the input string and that will be appended to string object until delimiter is encountered. There may be null character, end of string character, and so on. See now in getLine how we can do is stream ampersand getLine is stream ampersand is string ampersand str char delim. You see the parameters here. Is it's an object of eStream class. Tells the function about the stream from where to read the input from. You have to specify it from where you have to read. str is an object, string object. It stores the string what you are given after reading from the stream. Delim that indicates what here? Stopping the further input after reaching this character. Return value returns the same input stream as is which is accepted as parameter. These are parameters available in getLine function. C++ data types. What is data types? Interpretation applied to string of bits. Interpretation means what here? Translating line by line from high level language to machine level language. Every language is having their own data types. Now let us see what are data types available in C++. Primary, derived, user defined. Primary, integer, character, boolean, floating point, double floating point, wide character. Derived, function, arrays, pointers, reference. User defined, class, structure, union, enum, type def. Primitive data types, also called basic data types. Without these data types, we cannot get the result in C++. In not only this, in any languages. There is integer, character, boolean, floating point, double floating point, values are wide, valueless or wide character. See next to derived data types are derived from the primitive or built-in data types, referred to as derived data types. They are function, array, pointer, references. Next, abstract or user-defined data types. These data types are defined by user itself. If you want to define your own data, we can use the user-defined data types. The classes, structures, union, enumeration, type, definition, and so on. Now let us see integer. Integer is represented in C++ int. Computer will allocate 2 bytes memory for integer. For character, computer will allocate 1 byte. That is represented by char, char. Boolean. Boolean means what you know that logical values, either true or false. Floating point represented by float. It allocates 4 bytes for float. Double 8 bytes. Or also called long int. Double or long float. Then wide. It is valueless. Then wide character. That is what you know. Wide character data type is also a character data type, but this data type has size greater than normal 8 bytes data type. See, here for integer it allocates 2 bytes memory. That is represented by int. Float represented by float. Then double represented by double. There is another long int is that 4 bytes For int it is 2 bytes, long int 4 bytes, void less void character. So usually it is having the more than normal 8 bit data types. Scope resolution operator. Here suppose if you want to get the hidden names due to variable scopes, so that we can still use them. Scope resolution operator can be used as both unary and binary operator. And in another way is what, yeah, suppose if you want to define the member functions of the class outside, you can use the scope resolution operator. This is having the more use in C++. Here some questions are there. Define getLine function. Explain different types of data types in C++. What is scope resolution operator? See you in the next session.